Welcome to Tilal Al Ghaf and a mega mansion. So this is the show home, and I want to show you exactly what these mega mansions are going to look like. So let's walk through the door. This actual property will actually be changed, and we have got properties on the waterfront from 50 million dirham. Check this out. Absolutely gorgeous. You walk inside and the sense of space and light everywhere when you walk in this mega mansion is just beautiful. This is a 5-bedroom right on the waterfront here in Tilal Al Ghaf. And remember that no one actually lives here yet in this community, so still in a brand new area. But look at this, really, really high ceilings. You don't even have wallpaper on the walls, it's all marble at this level. And all these mansions have basements as well. But just to get a feel for what the caliber of mansions, the caliber of properties that are coming to Dubai is just unheard of. We have a lot of owners that are currently on the palm, and they're actually selling their properties and moving to Tilal because of the convenience of the schools and everything else. So let's have a look down here. Look at this marble, it's absolutely superb. And we went back into the front door and the atrium there with the tree straight through the house. A lot of these mansions now have trees going right the way through the property, which is beautiful. So we're gonna go outside. I'm just gonna ask someone to help me open the door. Excuse me, could you open that door for me? Thank you. So here is the living area. Okay, and then this is the kitchen. So what we tend to have in this part of the world is 2 kitchens. We have what people call a show kitchen, and then there'll be another kitchen behind the main dining area. So just check out a waterfront mansion here. This is the infinity swimming pool, and you're looking straight out on the water and the beach. So for more information on the types of homes that we have available, get in touch. At the bottom of this description you will see my phone number, and we can have a chat. And I have a lot of clients coming for these properties from Europe, especially England and France, because of the school. So the school here is the Royal Grammar School of Guildford in Surrey, England. And so a lot of people are very, very keen to have their children in the school, and as a result to live in the community so that the commute to school every day is minimal, because after all, who wants to spend all their time in a car taking the children to school? So just check out. What I love about these houses is it's all about the garden coming into the home, living outside, because for half the year it really is beautiful. You can have the windows open, all the pools, the infinity area, the landscaping, and everything here is handed to you from the developer. So everything is done to a very, very high level. You've got little fire pits and sunken city areas throughout the home, throughout the property. Lots and lots of lush greenery throughout. So remember, this is only a show home, but it does give you a really good idea as to the type of property that you would also be choosing. Now we can't go downstairs because there's a couple of people downstairs, but all the properties have a lift, hello. And then here we have the secondary kitchen, which, as I mentioned, we actually call it like the dirty kitchen, but this is where the main cooking is actually done, and got exits out to the garden. Now downstairs you have the home cinema, and I think there's somebody in there right now. So, and then let me take you upstairs. I love this finish. I feel like I'm on a super yacht. Coming up the stairs here, I'm going to bring you up to a couple of my favourite rooms. So remember, this is a show home, so again, it won't look exactly like this. It will actually be way better. Although I still think this is absolutely beautiful, but look at that. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, but check out the bathroom. It's one of my favourite rooms in Tilal Al Ghaf. Look at this. And everything is European appliances. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got Gassi there. You can see the make. And look at this bath. That is a bath to die for. Don't you feel like you could be in the Maldives? I mean, yes, I know you can see skyscrapers in the distance, but it really is another level. Absolutely beautiful. These slabs of marbles, The toilet, it's quite a large toilet there. The shower, just absolutely gorgeous. And then this is my second favorite room. Are you ready for this? Wow. Here it is. Have you got enough clothes, bags and shoes to fill it? That is what I ask you as we're looking around this fabulous walk-in wardrobe. And in the mansions, we actually have his and hers of this. So we have two. You'll also be pleased to know that we have a safe and we have provision for a treasury as well. So that is already taken care of. And you've got a lift here. And don't look too closely. This is the older interiors on this part of the video. But I do want to show you the way that the lighting is done, because when it gets really bright as well, it's done in such a way that you've actually got really nice concrete architecture in a really nice feature. Just can't get over this view. It just really is something else. Really gorgeous. So if we just, I always have problems doing this with one hand when I'm doing a video, and I can't open everything in time. That's back down to the downstairs. You've got bedrooms, hallway. I'll just take you so you can also see, if we come back downstairs, this is just a sample to give you an idea, okay? But also check this out. Just absolutely love it. So here we have it. If you would like some more